1,000 subscribers. I made my 100 subscriber video 5 months ago. I don't like this table here, so we're gonna do some maneuvering. Hey y'all, my name is Cass. Welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new, I talk all about DIY budget-friendly content creation, you guys. In today's video, I'm actually not talking about that. No. I am, in a way. Today's video, you guys, I wanted to more so talk about how I reached 1,000 subscribers. Yes, so let's get it. What's today? Sunday, January 10th. So yesterday, Saturday, January 9th, you guys, I finally hit 1,000 subscribers. I'm so happy. Thank you guys so much. I appreciate every single one of you guys. This is gonna be a little different, you guys, but I'm super excited. So definitely stay tuned if you're interested in just learning how to grow on YouTube. If you're starting a channel in 2021, this will be the perfect video for you guys. I learned so much in those past 5 months that completely just changed. My channel is growing so much faster, over doubles more than doubles every month in views and subscribers and everything. So super awesome. I have so much advice and things that I've learned since that last video. Biggest thing that I finally did was niche my channel. So in October, I finally found a niche. I finally found a topic. I don't think you should niche right in the beginning. I do think you should post a bunch of different videos kind of relating to what you like. One thing I do like that a YouTuber mentioned was, instead of niching, think of your ideal audience member and all the things they'd be interested in. So I'd say when you're starting out, think of who are you trying to appeal to. Think of all the things they would be interested in. Maybe the person who likes to watch my DIY photo shoots videos are probably also interested in branding, and they're probably interested in beauty and fitness and this and that. So think of your ideal audience member like that, and then create those videos, and then from there, you guys, see which videos are the most popular and harp on that, milk that concept. Okay, so I had videos coming out about health and fitness. I had some natural hair videos. I had productivity videos. I released so many videos, and then the video that really stood out by that time, by October, was my studio under $500 video. That video was like blowing up. It was so popular, home studio. Of course, this was during the pandemic, so I guess a lot of people were trying to start YouTube channels or building studios in their home since they were stuck at home. So since that video really was like blowing up above all other videos, even videos that I knew would be like trendy, then I knew that was what I was gonna go with. So in October, I did another video about my bedroom studio. Now that's my second most popular video. And then I kind of did a video that still was in the realm of photography, and so that was my third most popular video. So after that, I just kind of made sure every video related to that specific topic. So don't niche in the beginning. Really just do stuff that your ideal audience will like, and then once you find out what they like the most from you, then really push on that topic. Make sure you link the popular video to these new videos that you release, so people can know that this is what your channel is about, and they can actually subscribe and they can binge. Your goal is that you want people to binge your content, so you want to make sure that's consistent. All right, so the next big thing I want to kind of talk about, and I'm going to kind of put this all in one, is your thumbnails, your title, and just like keywords. Like making your videos searchable is going to be tremendously important, you guys, because you have to think, what are people searching for? How is your video going to pop up in the first place? And if you do get your video to pop up in the first place, why would people want to click on your video opposed to other videos? So that's where thumbnail and title come in handy. These are first impression. If you guys are shopping for something, or if you're looking for, like, hopefully you're not judging a book by its cover, but if you're looking for something visual, typically you're gonna not click on the video that doesn't look as professional or doesn't look as aesthetically pleasing. You're going to click on the video with the better thumbnail. So just remember, thumbnail and title are first impression. You really want to capture people's eye with your thumbnail. There's 3 different thumbnail categories that I realize there are that I see the most. There's like that aesthetic thumbnail that you typically see like me use, or like productivity YouTubers, like just a nice clean thumbnail with some simple text, maybe some doodles. And then there's like the expression thumbnail, like you see someone with like crazy facial expression, like sometimes there's big words on the screen, or you know, there's like an icon, a graphic on the screen. So I call that like the facial expression thumbnail. Before and after pictures, or transformation pictures, or like there's a lot going on, like you kind of see everything within that thumbnail. So that's kind of one of the other big things. I think it was a before and after that I was looking at. So if you're doing some kind of transformation, some kind of before and after, those can be a very popular thumbnail as well, because people literally see in the thumbnail what they're about to see in the video. So that's really great. As far as titles, you guys, one thing that I do like that people do is they put kind of something, not clickbaited necessarily, but something more interesting as the first title. So I may have a video coming out and it's like DIY music video, which is cool, like, you know, do it yourself music video, and then it says how to shoot your own music video at the other side of the title. So that's kind of something maybe people might actually search. So just make the beginning of your title more so catchy, and then add like some keywords into there of what people may actually be searching for. As far as getting your videos to show up, you guys, I always have my friends, I'm like, search this and see if I pop up, and they always say my video pops up at the top quadrant. So that's kind of really the goal you want to have that video pop up very soon. To do this, I do utilize tags. What I do for my tags now is I actually go into analytics and I see what people are searching to find my channel, and I basically just use those as my tags. So you may have that in your analytics. If not, definitely double check. You may have to have more videos out before you can have that in your analytics, but like I said, if you've kind of already gotten to the 100 threshold and you're now building to the 1,000 subscriber threshold, then you should have in your analytics those keywords, and I basically use those keywords that relate to the video as my tags. In my description, you guys, I make sure to pretty much have that keyword part of my title. So like I said, if I say how to shoot your own music video in my title, the first sentence in my description is going to be how to shoot your own music video, because when you do a search on YouTube, the description does pop up as part of the search. And of course, like I mentioned, title, thumbnail is going to play a huge role in people searching and finding your content. Last and final kind of tip, I'm gonna kind of merge like all my advice into this final tip. People don't know who you are, you guys. Just remember that. People don't know who you are. People don't care who you are. They just want whatever you have to provide to them. I'm not saying people are selfish. I'm just saying, you know, when we come online and we're searching for something, it's because we want to better ourselves typically. So therefore, just keep that in mind with whatever content that you decide to create with me. Yes, I'm at the forefront of all my DIY photo shoots, but I'm helping other people learn how to create their own photo shoots, create their own content. So just keep that in mind. Lastly, most important thing, you guys, YouTube is awesome. I definitely suggest, if you have a YouTube channel, if you're interested in growing on YouTube, starting YouTube, do it, y'all. YouTube is evergreen content, meaning people could search something 5 years from now and your video could pop up and still be very relevant. So that's really, really amazing, you guys. That means YouTube has so much potential. The fact that I can keyword search my videos and they pop up, the fact that my channel is growing right now, just shows you guys that there's still space, there's still room for everyone on YouTube. If you have something to say, I've been on YouTube for years now. If you guys know my backstory, that's all in my getting started on YouTube. My first getting started on YouTube video, you guys would know I have been on YouTube since high school. I have seen watched several channels, and I still have never run into a topic that I feel like people have too much content on YouTube, you guys. So definitely go for it. There's so much of a chance, you guys. Keep creating videos. You don't know which video is going to be the one that blows up and get your channel traction. You never know. Just continue to create quality content. Try to be as consistent as possible, you guys. I know consistency is tough. I know creating is hard, but if it was easy, everyone would be doing it. And yeah, so take that time, take that space, gain that knowledge, and grow on YouTube, you guys. I'm super excited for y'all's journey on YouTube. I'm excited for my journey on YouTube, and let's see where we go. I'm gonna watch my 100 subscriber video right now. Let's do commentary. How to get your first 100 subscribers fast on YouTube in 2020. Probably gonna change that title. You can always change your title and thumbnail, by the way. Start over fresh to kind of build a new channel based off the purpose of building a channel, a brand, and a business. So this video, you guys, was before I had a niche. So this one I was kind of just talking about whatever topic came to mind that I felt like my audience would enjoy. We're going to talk all about how I grew my first 100 subscribers. Just imagine 100 people sitting in front of you. Imagine 1,000 people. 100%. You have to know your subscribers. You guys are not literally, you see them as a number. You see the analytics, you see that, but you have to realize these are real people behind these numbers. These are real people behind these screens. You are creating for an actual person. Imagine them sitting in their room, sitting wherever. Think of, you have to really think of the person that you're creating this content for, what they would enjoy. Like I said, don't be selfish with your content. Really think about your audience. Think about yourself. The people you watch, the people you enjoy watching. Do they give you value? How did they give you value? Can you provide that to other people? So yes, very important. This is not a number. This is people. This is fam. This is worth that fam. Leverage friends and family, you guys. You have to grasp the people who already support you. So I do want to say about this tip, I do think leveraging friends and family is really, really great, especially for when you're first starting off and if they're very supportive of you. One big thing that I do when I'm reaching out to friends and family is I tell them, I don't say, hey, I'm on YouTube now and subscribe. Like, instead I say, hey, I'm starting a channel about this topic. If this is a topic you're interested in, you know, feel free to subscribe. Or if you have a friend who's interested in this topic, then they can subscribe. I think that's a little bit better because you don't just want subscribers but not have any engagement or views. So just definitely, you know, give a little tagline synopsis about what your channel is about. A good amount of videos that are in your niche. So I know in a recent video, yeah, that's kind of what I was talking about. In my video all about finding your passion and monetizing and making money off your passion, I did discuss having a niche, but a very unique niche. So yes, you know, talk about a topic. Yeah, so when you do finally narrow down your niche, you guys try to think of a unique niche, meaning try to combine two different things. So I have the photography content creation niche, which is huge on YouTube, and I have the DIY niche, which is huge on YouTube, and I combine those two. So if I combine two things that are already really big, but since I've combined them, it makes it more unique, but they're both very big searchable topics, then kablam. But I don't really promote my channel that much. I actually spend a lot of time off of social media. I usually delete social media from my phone. Maybe some weekends I'll re-download it, or special occasions. But yeah, I just like to see how well I can do on YouTube. I like to just specialize on YouTube and not really worry about like Instagram and other platforms, because the algorithm is confusing to me. So I understand YouTube, so I'm just like, let me just create YouTube videos and that audience will go over to Instagram. Kind of careful with promoting your YouTube channel. You don't put my post in the power. Alright y'all, if you want to see more, check out that video. I'll link it below. But your girl is out of here. I gotta eat some lunch or something, and I gotta edit this video, and I got life outside of YouTube, believe it or not. Peace out. I need a thumbnail for this. I don't even know.